whispering because I don't want to disturb these two. They play between the bars because I don't let them play together because one's too big and older than the other. But they're two puppies that I have in the house that don't have anybody else to play with. So this is how I do it. Look how cute they are. The smaller one is Chase. And the bigger one is Chihuahua. So cute. I take turns letting Chase run around the house, and then I put Chiquita inside. So it's Chase that's locked up in jail. They love each other. So sad that they can't really play together. I try to let them play together. Chiquita just gets a little bit too young. Chase keeps scratching because of his collar. He doesn't like it. So cute. She's so adorable. Chase, what are you doing? Huh? What's Chase doing over there? Say hello to your mommy and your daddy and your family, your brother and your sister. Say hello to them. And Chiquita, say hello to Sherry and Linda. Come here. Chiquita, come here, Beats. Come here, Beta. Yeah, the Beats. And there's a baby boy. There he is. There's just a Beats. You want out? Huh? We'll let you take turns in a minute. We'll switch.